This is where the operation is. Yeah. Good idea to wipe it out first. The other gutters were pressure washed though. This one, were they? A little. They weren't super clean, but they were a little. Okay, a little cleaner than this.
He had been saying, "Mom, I need you." He had lived with us for 6 years, and this house had sat pretty much.
No, kick my butt.
All right. And that is something I did not know.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. My dog will put 4 tries.
This one wasn't on here yesterday.
Yeah, I put that on because the over there.
Exactly.
Top.
Down here?
Right, yes, go the other way, to the right. To the right there.
It's cold.
Oh.
Really, I need
cold.
to be a hole.
I'm like,
The other person, and she was on the market for 60 days and did a reduction to what I told her.
Yeah, that's the bad part.
well, I have one now. I'm like, y'all kind of missed the market like about 2 months too late, honestly.
I get in trouble.
All you gotta do is pay for it and you get the joy.
Yeah, then you get those notifications. I'm a nut job and